Today we're making eggs and I'm doing cheesy eggs today. First you want to break your eggs. I have 4 eggs in this bowl and I will be adding one more to it to make it 5. I like breaking my eggs on a flat surface. And you want to beat these eggs. You want to get the egg yolk and the whites all mixed together. And I'm using a fork to beat these eggs. So to my pot here, I'm adding a tablespoon of butter, and you want to have this melt, and you want to have your heat on medium. So while your butter is melt, you want to add your eggs. You pour it in the pot like that. And you want to have this in medium heat, and I will show you how to turn it in a few seconds. So if you notice in the pot here, it starts cooking from the edges. You want to move it from the edges to the middle, and you do this all around. Just move it from the edges to the middle while your stove is on medium heat. And each time the part that is not yet cooked will goes to the edge, and the part that's cooked will stay in the middle. So you want to keep turning it like this. You want to turn it over like that, so the bottom of it is cooked. The top rather is cooked also. So when it gets this, you want to remove it from the stove. It's 3/4 way there. And now you want to add your spices like pepper and salt. I'm adding a little salt, and I'm adding some pepper. And now you add your cheese, and don't worry about it removing from the pot because the cheese will melt. Okay, the cheese will melt off the stove like that. And this is a cup of cheese I've used. You can use less, you can use more. It will melt on it like that. And this is what the eggs look like after it's finished. So this is your easy cheesy eggs. So please remember to like and subscribe to my channel for more of these videos. And thanks for watching. Bye.